Okay, just got the Fastspeed custom exhaust muffler bypass. As you can see, completely bypasses right into the dual exhaust there. Pretty simple job. These are the original cams there. See how big and bulky these things are. Shaved a lot of weight off the back of there. Definitely, I'll show you the other side real quick. Looks good. Alex at Fastspeed really took care of me here. Now we'll fire it up, let you see what it sounds like, let you hear what it sounds like, whatever. Already you can hear the difference. Just the startup, just at idle, it really sounds good. That setup there, and that's just straight exhaust, muffler bypass, stock resonator X pipe, stock Cadillac converters. Alex Fastspeed really took care of me there. If you like that sound, let me know. I don't even know if I want to change into an X pipe right now. I want to get it on the road and see how it sounds going through them gears. Thanks for tuning in.